She left. She moved on. But she's still watching, and what you do next will either prove her right or make her regret everything. Right now, she has a story about you. Why she left, what was wrong with you, why she made the right choice, and if you collapse, if you beg, if you stay stuck, you confirm that story. You become exactly what she thought you were, but there's another option. You become someone she doesn't recognize. Someone so far beyond the man she left that she questions everything she thought she knew. This isn't about getting her back. It might happen. It might not. That's not the point. The point is becoming the man that makes every woman who ever doubted you realize they made a mistake. Here's the truth about breakups. Nobody tells you. They're not endings. They're auditions for who you'll become next. Some men use heartbreak as fuel. They channel the pain into the gym, into their business, into becoming someone dangerous. Other men let heartbreak destroy them. They drink. They spiral. They stalk her social media at 2 a.m. looking for proof she's happy without them. Which one are you going to be? She's watching. Maybe not obviously. But she checks. Her friends check. Social media exists. Word travels, and every day you have a choice about what she sees. A man falling apart because he needed her to be whole, or a man rising 2 levels she never saw when she was with him. If you're in this place right now, feeling that pain, listen. This is exactly where transformation happens. Follow for more on how to use this. Here's how you make her regret it. First, go silent. Complete silence. No texts. No calls. No likes on her posts, no mutual friend updates, nothing. Silence is the loudest message. It says you're busy building something, that she's not important enough to reach out to, that you've moved on in ways she can't see. Second, get in the best shape of your life. Not for her, for the man you see in the mirror. Channel every ounce of pain into your body. Transform it into something visible. When she sees you months from now, she should barely recognize you. Third, level up your money, your career, your status. Heartbreak is energy. Most men waste it on sadness. Smart men invest it in success. Work harder than you ever have. Take risks you were too comfortable to take when you were with her. Build something that makes your old life look small. Fourth, become emotionally unreachable. Not cold, not bitter, just solid, grounded. A man who doesn't need anyone to complete him. If she ever comes back, and they often do, she should meet someone who doesn't need her anymore. That's the most attractive thing possible. The woman you lost is watching. She's waiting to see if she was right about you, if you were as weak as she suspected, if leaving was the smart choice. Prove her wrong. Not with words, with who you become. Make her regret it by becoming unforgettable.